have the right to remain plugged in. Any charger you steal can and will be used against you.
Oh, God! Oh, my God! April! Oh, no, no! CJ! April, he didn't make it.
Whoa. We saw you die, man!
Death to Chargelia!
We got him. Osama bin Chargin is dead.